they're not even coming. Oh my gosh, what if I'm the only one coming here? This is high school reunion. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with people? Oh wait, there she comes. Wait, who's that? Is that? Hi, Chloe. Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to you?
Turned into a billionaire.
Oh, hi. You changed a lot from high school. Well, anyways, I thought that you have a dog.
Oh, yeah. Jet Li, come here.
Wait, is this your dog?
Yeah.
Oh, she's fancy.
Thanks. She was like $1,000, so don't touch her. Don't touch her.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I have seafood for everyone.
I don't like seafood.
Well, this is really good actually. It's a seafood. Look at this.
I don't like
Yummy.
the smell.
Oh, okay then.
Oh, he's coming soon. Do I look cute?
Hey, babe.
Hi, honey.
Can you believe that girl? She thinks I was her boyfriend, but when I got back, I realized you were prettier than her.
I know. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
It's time to take a revenge.
Isn't it beautiful?
I know. And it's raining.
That stinks. That stinks. Well, I'm gonna go get us some drinks.
Okay. Johnny! Johnny, wake up! Oh my gosh. There's blood. How dare
I'm gonna kill you. How about now?
How about now? Sahi, are you okay? Sahi. Oh my gosh, I need to call someone. Hello, 911? Emergency, emergency. Get over here now!
Well, that was quite a show.
Yep.
Oh, that was actually a Nerf gun.
Yeah, he didn't really die. And
Are you guys really married?
no.
Oh, I didn't really die. I was just pretending to die. I can be an actress when I grow up, you know.
And this really isn't my hair.
That's a wig?
Yeah. And you can pet my dog. She was only 100.
Are you serious?
I'm not a billionaire, just so you know.
Wait, by the way, do you really don't like fish?
I really do like fish.
Okay, that was a movie. See ya.
Peace.
I'm Johnny. It was a Nerf gun too. I didn't really die, but you know. Well, quite a show. Bye-bye. Hello.
Oh, hey, babe.
Guys, do it! Stop.
Well, that was quite a show.
Yep.
It was just a Nerf gun, you know.
Yeah, Johnny's not really dead. And this isn't really my wig, so my hair.
This is your wig.
Yeah, this is my wig.
Wait, then how about the dog? Call him.
Oh,
Or call
Jet!
her.
Jet! Come here, girl. dog was just, it was just $1,000. I mean, oh my gosh, do it again.